And welcome to the Screening Room. I'm Russ Simmons. My colleague Sean Edwards is on birthday duty today, but he'll be back with us soon. New this week, Joaquin Phoenix returns to his Oscar-winning role in the highly anticipated sequel, Joker: Folie à Deux. Now, he's joined by Lady Gaga as Harley Quinn. And yes, it's a musical. Todd Phillips' high-concept reimagining incorporates a number of classic songs into a dour and repressively ugly courtroom procedural. It's admittedly imaginative, but it's also a long, dull, self-indulgent slog. You can't blame the stars. They're very good. But if you buy a ticket, the joke's on you. Sean, however, saw a completely different movie. He said, quote, "I was not a fan of the first film, actually hated it. I actually like this one a lot better. It's daring and visionary, takes a lot of risks. Not everything works, and some of what you see happens is creatively jarring. Joaquin Phoenix is stellar once again, and Lady Gaga adds unique flourishes. It's almost as if director Todd Phillips is condemning the first film. At least, very least, it feels like a cinematic apology. This sequel plays like a classic Prince B-side. Not following? This movie, which pushes the boundaries of cinema forward in a new and exciting direction, is actually technically better than the first, but it won't be as successful. Boy, I wish I had seen the movie Sean saw. The one I saw, I'm giving 2 popcorn bags, but Sean doubles me up, 4 popcorn bags for Joker: Folie à Deux. Now here's something we do agree on. White Bird serves as a sequel and prequel to the movie Wonder, based on the graphic novel by R.J. Palacio. Helen Mirren plays a French grandmother of a troubled boy. She tells him the harrowing story of her experiences as a Jewish child during World War II, hiding out in a barn for over a year during the Nazi occupation of France. Director Mark Forster's handsome adaptation is a bit overlong and preachy, but White Bird is nevertheless a touching and involving drama. Sean says White Bird provides yet another perspective on the Holocaust. This coming-of-age story is propelled by the exceptional young cast. They're great. It all felt a little bit Anne Frank, but the overall message of kindness really resonates. More timely than you would think, which is what sold me. I'm giving it 3 popcorn bags, and Sean's there with me. 3 popcorn bags, which means it's worth a look. You can see all of our reviews and interviews with Hollywood's biggest stars at fox4kc.com/screeningroom. Check us out on our YouTube page or give us a like on the Fox 4 Screening Room Facebook page for all the inside movie scoop. And we often give away movie passes there, so check it out. And that's it for this week, guys.
So the Joker movie's a musical?
It's a musical, full-blown, a lot of classic songs you'll know, and it doesn't all work.
Awesome, good stuff.
I love just the blunt honesty. Thank you, Russ.
And